Hey all the lovely people out there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we would be having a movie review. So we have come to watch amazing, awesome, powerful, stunning movie. So you guys would have contemplated it. Which one is it?
Yes.
Now
it's Coolie movie, you guys.
Yes.
We both are so big Superstars fan, and more than anything, I'm very big Loki sir's movies fan. So I think 2 years before, we have done a movie review for Leo movie as well in her channel. So we are very excited to give a honest review about the Coolie movie. I know it's going to be very amazing. We are so excited to watch. We came 2 hours before to mall, and now we just booked our show at 10 PM at night. With our family we are going. So we are very excited. We are just seeing what the plot is, and more than for anything, we are going to watch the movie for Superstar.
we're actually super excited to watch Rajni sir, Aamir Khan sir, and then Upendra sir, all three of them together. So it's gonna be like amazing. I'm like super excited.
Yes guys, so we are just waiting for another 1 hour. I think we'll just do some shopping, and then exactly at 10 we'll just go inside theatre and watch the movie and tell you guys further how was the movie, how was our experience, and how it went on. Yeah guys, finally the wait is over. It's gonna be 10:30 and we are back to PVR. We are so excited to watch the movie. I'll just show you guys PVR. So guys, now we are going to watch our favorite Rajni sir movie.
We're very excited.
Yes, and
we booked actually for night shows, so with family of course.
Yes, because night shows are also it is very pleasant to watch movies in the night, I feel, mostly. So we are very excited. More than everything, as I said you guys, it's Loki sir's movie, and I'm just expecting is there any LCU connection. So let's see. After watching the movie, we'll talk in detail. So guys, finally we entered into the PVR, and you guys know that Coolie movie is a certificate movie, and the ticket checker asked
Yeah,
he asked me to show my ID proof as proof that I'm 18 plus.
she's 22.
No,
21.
21.
Yeah.
This year end I'll turn 22. I feel a little bit like why will I?
She looks pretty young actually.
Yes. What he meant was that no. I said no, I'm 21. He was like, no, show me. I was like, okay, fine. Then he saw my ID and he left it. So if anybody is like me, please bring your ID proof. And so now we are going inside. We'll go inside and tell you guys later. So guys, we just saw the movie yesterday and it was pretty late, so we couldn't give you guys the review after movie. So how was the film?
It was amazing, top notch. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Rajni sir's character, the role he played, and it was quite amazing. And I did also like all the cameos, played with Upendra sir and played with Aamir sir, and especially I did like the other negative role as well. I think his name was Sharvin.
Yeah.
His role was phenomenal.
Yeah, I actually got
scared.
Yeah, and everyone's part was very good, and it was really unexpected turns when the cameos will come from different states, and I think everyone's
The music was phenomenal. Be it the songs, be it the BGM, it was phenomenal. I thoroughly loved it, and it was like each BGM throughout the movies were top notch.
Yeah, and even the rap part also was very good in Anirudh's BGM. I think Powerhouse rap part also very amazing BGMs, and we love the cameos as well. Nagarjuna sirs and Upendra sirs. Wow, the theatre was on fire when Upendra sirs scene was coming. We saw it in Bangalore. Obviously, his fan base is so much, and it was just amazing. And we did everyone's cameos was really very nice.
Another important thing is there were a lot of twists and turns
Exactly.
that we cannot comprehend. There are certain things it's a little predictable, but there are certain things it's like you cannot predict at all. And
Yeah.
you feel like, oh my god, where did this come from?
Exactly.
It's thoroughly enjoyable.
Just an amazing movie to watch. And
Another important role Rachita Ram played. She's one of the phenomenal actresses in Kannada. She's done a lot of movies. Her role was another huge impact in the movie. If you tend to see the movie, you'll get to know.
yes, we don't want to give any spoilers.
Yeah.
So guys, before it's getting too late, please go and watch Hooli movie. It's just amazing. And we are reviewing it from Bangalore in her channel, Saujanya Angela, and mine, Sweetie Salty as well. We have also reviewed the Leo movie before. Please do check out that video and give us your opinion. And another point when I want to mention in Hooli movie is this director's work of showing the past sequence of 80s movie scenes. My god, it was so beautiful. They showed Rajini sir's part and Sanjay Raja sir's part so beautifully in those 80s background. I literally thought that it is some old movie reference. Then my parents was like, no, it's this movie story. And it was so beautiful. And in case if the director is watching, sir, your works are very, very nice. And we are very big fan of all of your works, sir. Be it with Leo also, I said the same thing. So keep going, sir.
On the whole, movie was amazing. We thoroughly liked. I could see a lot of mixed, reviews for the movie. But as a Rajni fan and as a audience on the without any kind of expectation, you come and watch the movie, you will love it. Like literally, because each scene is so the technical aspect and the editing part and the visual is literally a treat. And the music is another top notch for the movie. On the whole, it's completely amazing.
Yes, she's pretty very excited.
Yeah, I really like Rajni sir. I'm a big fan.
Guys, literally it's 5 minutes. My hand is paining like anything. Keep on speaking, but
We couldn't talk yesterday because since the show got late, so we were really tired and then we got back home. So we thought today we'd record it.
Yeah, guys, so please, if you're a very big Superstar fan, please go to the theaters and watch the movie. It's not sponsored, it's from our heart. We are telling it's an amazing movie. And please do support our channel as well. Don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe to our channel.
bye, guys.
Bye guys.
We wanted to also talk about Nagarjuna sir. He did an amazing work. The villain role he did was top notch. It was a terrific role that he did. So you can watch that as well. And of course, talking about Rajni sir, on the whole, his performance was phenomenal as always. So yeah, that we wanted to tell. Like, share and subscribe guys. Bye.